Just going to start off by removing the baseboards and the electrical outlets, anything, wall hangings, anything that might get in the way. To cut these squares out, I was using a drywall cutout tool. I would just recommend any cutoff blade. They don't have to be perfect, they're getting covered by stone. To start securing these cement boards to the wall, I'm going to use my vertical laser to help me keep in line. I also did mark the wall with tape, as you can see. I just like to be a little cautious when it comes to that. I want to know my boards are secured. I do recommend having help with this. My help was there most of the time, but sometimes you don't have help and you got to find ways to do things. Be careful with these. They are pretty heavy, and a lot of the time you're working over tile, and those drills are heavy. You don't want to be doing tile repair. This is a simple thin set and fiber tape installation on the joints. This is to make all these boards act as if they were one board. It's just another way of securing everything. To start with these sheets, I cut the first piece to make it flush with the wall. I measured out to see exactly where the 7th and 8th piece would hit the outlets. I then went ahead and cut those with a diamond blade. There will be a part of that in the video later on. And then I am going to start attaching these to the wall. Here I am going to cut the little ends off. I have them taped up to save them in the correct sequence. And then I'm going to cut a section off to create the first piece that I spoke about before. Again, I am using a diamond blade cutoff tool. For this cut, I like to go over the whole line and create a groove, and then I like to go back and forth and then let the blade kind of fall through. I had no issues with this product cutting it. The blade is excellent, and the Milwaukee cutoff tools speaks for itself. Once you get past the bottom row, second row with the cutouts, it's pretty repetitive from then on. I do want to say that I am wetting the substrate first because it is a porous surface. It allows for a good bond between that thin set and the cement board. Also, I would like to mention that I went a little overkill and used the large format tile mortar just to be safe. Probably could have got away with a better thin set, but I'd rather overbuild than underbuild. But the project came out beautifully. Just like flooring, your cut from the last piece is going to be your first piece on the next row most of the time, unless you run into a small piece. You don't want to be putting tiny pieces together like a jigsaw puzzle. Not with this rock. Here I was trying to show the coverage. I was looking for about 90% on this particular project. You'll also notice the level in there, just to make sure with the imperfections on these manufactured products. I just wanted to make sure I was continuing in a straight level line. This product was discontinued, and you'll see right here, this is the reason. Bad manufacturing. The pieces did not go in very well together. Had to use a rubber mallet and a grout float to get them in some areas. Sometimes I had to try 3 or 4 different pieces before finding one that fit. Just one of those things that happens. You got to work with the product that you're given. For the next project like this, I will be investing in a scaffold. This was not easy. are in the Palm Beach area and would like something like this done, please contact the Whole 9 Handyman Services at 561-317-8001 or visit thewhole9handyman.com for more information. Thanks for watching.